Hey there, beautiful! I'm thrilled to unveil a skincare secret that's been right under your nose. Imagine if I told you that the secret to brighter, more youthful skin has been in your kitchen all this time. That's correct, we're talking about the amazing, versatile wonder that is baking soda. In this video, we'll dive into 3 easy and effective baking soda recipes that can help diminish age spots, eliminate blemishes, and reveal your most radiant complexion yet. But first, let's quickly review the primary factors that lead to the development of age spots. What exactly causes those annoying dark spots to appear on our skin as we get older? It boils down to 3 key issues: vitamin C deficiency, lack of zinc, insulin resistance. When these factors come together, they can cause an uneven skin tone, rough texture, and of course those dreaded age spots. But don't fret, by addressing these underlying causes with the remarkable properties of baking soda, you can start seeing a visible improvement in your skin's appearance. And the best part? You likely already have this miraculous ingredient in your pantry. Recipe number 1, baking soda and emu oil spot treatment. Let's jump into our first recipe, a potent spot treatment that combines baking soda with the exceptional healing properties of emu oil. If you're not acquainted with emu oil, prepare to be impressed. This unique ingredient, sourced from the fat of the emu bird, has been used for centuries to rejuvenate and heal skin. When combined with baking soda, it forms a powerful solution that can help fade even the most stubborn age spots. Here's what you'll need: 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon emu oil. Mix the baking soda and emu oil in a small bowl until you achieve a smooth, creamy paste. Apply a small amount directly to age spots or areas of hyperpigmentation, avoiding the delicate skin around your eyes. Allow the mixture to penetrate for 20 minutes, then gently remove it with a damp cloth and lukewarm water. Since this treatment is quite potent, I recommend starting with just 1 to 2 applications per week and gradually increasing as needed. With consistent use, you should begin to see your age spots fade and become less noticeable over time. Isn't that amazing? Recipe number 2, baking soda, lemon juice, and olive oil mask. Next, we have a brightening mask that utilizes the exfoliating power of baking soda, the skin lightening effects of lemon juice, and the nourishing benefits of olive oil. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients until you have a smooth paste. If the mixture is too thick, add a bit more lemon juice until it reaches a spreadable consistency. Apply the mixture to your clean, dry skin, focusing on areas with age spots or uneven pigmentation. Allow it to work for 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. One important note: because of the lemon juice, it's best to avoid direct sunlight for a few hours after using this mask, as citric acid can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. I suggest saving this treatment for evenings or days when you'll be indoors. Recipe number 3, baking soda, orange juice, and jojoba oil scrub. Our final recipe is a refreshing scrub that smells as fantastic as it feels. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon orange juice. Mix the baking soda, jojoba oil, and orange juice in a small container until well combined. The texture should be slightly grainy, which is perfect. Those tiny particles of baking soda will gently exfoliate dead skin cells, while the jojoba oil moisturizes, and the orange juice provides a boost of skin brightening vitamin C. To use, apply the scrub to damp skin using gentle circular motions, paying extra attention to rough patches or areas of hyperpigmentation. Take your time and enjoy the uplifting citrus scent. It's like a mini aromatherapy session. After 1 to 2 minutes, rinse well with warm water and pat your skin dry. Your complexion will feel softer, smoother, and more radiant. I love using this scrub in the morning to wake up my skin and start the day feeling refreshed and energized. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Be consistent with your skincare routine and give these recipes time to work their magic. Fading age spots is a gradual process, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay committed and your patience will be rewarded. There you have it, my friends. 3 incredible baking soda recipes to help you say goodbye to age spots and welcome the clear, glowing skin you deserve. I hope you're inspired to head to your kitchen and mix up a batch of these treatments right away. As someone passionate about natural skincare for years, I can vouch for the effectiveness of these simple remedies. Give them a try and see for yourself just how powerful the humble baking soda can be. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more natural skincare tips and tricks, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, lovely friends. Until next time.